Alright guys, first red video. Just gotta.
Just your school route, okay?
Okay. This thing is so bouncy. Yeah, Mom, something's supposed. Yeah, it's supposed to stay like this.
Okay, let's see which one. Two. Okay, so it's not that one. Move.
What's that one?
So which one is that?
Sorry.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Okay. Alright, there's my bike. Can't see it. Nope. I forgot what my own code was.
I think I have a picture of it. 6435.
6, 4, 3. Got it.
I'm gonna put this on this handle until you get back.
Okay. Oosh. Oh my gosh.
Is it still moving too much? That's good.
Well, this is gonna be hard, but also
Try
easy.
not to watch it. Just do you and then watch the video later, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Come back to me, okay?
Okay.
Over the school route.
Alright. Alright guys, this is the first video on my thing. Literally just got it today. And pretty much this will be the POV. I'll be waking up, you know, just riding my bike. I'm not gonna really try to focus on the camera that much. Literally what my mom said. But, just taking the school route. Like what it'll be like. I'll show you guys what it'll be like. Kind of chilly since I'm going to the breeze, but it's whatever. Holy. Alright, shut up. Oh gosh. Eesh. Shut up. By the way, if it's a little bouncy, I'm sorry for that. I'll get loose often. Just gotta use something else this today. Alright. Got that. Oh shoot. Never mind, I'll just do it on the other side. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's go on a trip. Eesh. Usually I would be listening to It Was a Good Day by Ice Cube, but this time I gotta record. So, yeah. Oh shoot. So usually I go down all the way down here. Oh shoot. Something got sent to me. And then mine's just not record. I'm gonna make sure that because this thing for some reason is like it's a perfect size. So if you wanna go buy one, I'll probably like do something. I got this bike over here. It's not that long of a bike ride. Oh shoot, I'm in the wrong one. Gotta go this one. Ooh, my leg's on fire. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I've been waiting for this thing like a week. So I'm like, because they're supposed to come in like in 2 days, but it came in a little bit early. So that'll be it. Today's Friday, so yeah. One hand, W's in chat. W's in chat. By the way, guys, do not come to my school because it will be shown. But look, it won't be shown. I'll probably send this to my editor, John. He'll blur some things out. Yeah, he'll blur everything out. Should. Also, I'm gonna nuke his house. Oh gosh. Blur that. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, yep. Almost there. Alright. We are arriving. Missing cat poster. Don't see a cat anywhere, so yeah. We're arriving at my school, see my playground. Yeah, I can't see it, but I can. Car behind me. I'm going to turn around. Yeah. Clean. Bro. Oh, I made a mark. Y'all cannot see that, but I made a mark. Like a breaking, like a neck skirt. Oh yeah, that's what I did. Alright, now I'm just gonna go back and we'll be in for today. Oh shoot, oh frick, ah, frick. Especially breaking a million branches. I don't know, but today seems kind of odd. No breakfast from the dog. Oh, Mom, take the breakfast with no hog. I got my egg. Finally found the girl I wanted today. Shoot, I took the wrong lane. He got to be freaking me right now. Dang it. But this always happens. When I'm going to turn on batch. I mean, yeah, batch. Well, we know back. Maybe buck. Oh shoot. Slippery. Oh shoot. There's a car right now. Should I spray it with water? This guy's following me. The dog knows that. I'm gonna go fast. Someone following me? What the heck? It's on camera? Got 4K? They turned with me, they're following me. They turned with me, they're following me. Okay, they're not following me. I got so scared for a second. I was like, what? Why is that guy following me? Oh my gosh, I was tired. I went so fast. Alright. And do not come to my apartments. PLS. Alright, we're here, guys. By the way, this took like, if I ever do buy a thing, this one's like $17, like 16. I think it was $17. But I also got the makeshift Gorilla Tag plush, but like it's gonna come later, so I won't get the actual one in Gorilla Tag. So, dang it, didn't do it. Okay. Oh, shimmery timbers. Hopefully, this works. Dang it. Hey. Shoot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Dang it. Guys, you kind of got a problem. You cannot. Frick. Forgot the gate code doesn't work anymore. because it's super rusty. Oh yes, it worked. Alright, come here. Oh no. Okay, now here, back to my apartment number. And then it'll be done for today's vid. Okay. Sorry if the phone is really wobbly. This is my first time using it. So, yeah. Holy. This is where I go super fast. Shoot. Going super fast, baby. Let's freaking go. Oh, shoot. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. I can't stop freaking moving my legs. Alright. Yeah. Should I do it again? No, probably. Wait, shoot, I need to turn around. I'm gonna run it again. So, yeah. Whew. Ooh. I'm gonna take my mom real quick.